Using K518 Pro, program smart key for the 2017 Honda Avancier. Now we use the K518 Pro to process, adding new key program. Select IMO and remote. Choose Honda. We can select by vehicle or system. Select from type, select smart keys. Select button type 3. We'll see 3 menus. The first function is to add 1 smart key. Another function is all smart key lost. The last one is delete smart key. We will add 1 smart key first. Select the add 1 smart key. This program will start to add key. Press the start button twice. Whether to turn on the ignition. Let's press start button twice. Ignition on now. Click OK. Take all the keys out of the car. Place a program key in the car. Take out the new key. Here's the original car key. Put it inside the car. Then take the new keys out of the car. At this time, the car beeps. Take out all the smart keys out of the car, including this original key. Put the key to be programmed in the car. Put this new key inside the car. OK. Turn off the ignition in 15 seconds. Turn off the ignition. Then turn on the ignition. Double tap the start button. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition again. Okay, let's see if the immobilizer light is off. Didn't see immobilizer lights up on the dashboard. Click OK. Turn off the ignition. Turn on the ignition, press it twice. Program completed. Click OK. OK, now we turn off the ignition. Ignition is turned off. Let's see if the key remote works well. This is a new key. Lock. Unlock. We start the engine. Put the key here. Then press the start button. Let's see if the smart function is normal. OK. Smart function is normal. Turn off the ignition. Then we'll bring in the original car keys and try it too. Take the new keys out of the car. Let's try the remote control for the original car keys. OK. OK. Now let's try whether the original car key can start normally. OK, start normal. K518 Pro adding smart key for Honda Avancier has programmed successfully.